Apache Electric is a rural cooperative. We serve Northeast Arizona, including the entire White Mountain Apache tribe. We're a very rural part of the state. We have very limited funds and even more limited manpower. So to be able to get quality data is very helpful for us.
We're data retrieval specialists. We're making the data retrieval process safe, fast, and accurate using the Falcon 8 Plus.
There's no other system that we were even considering besides the Falcon 8. The ability to be able to point the camera straight up and straight down all in the same play. We're able to take any picture from any angle, at any perspective.
To have that eye in the sky just opens up a completely different world as far as the data that we're able to collect.
We knew that the Falcon 8 Plus was the way to go if we wanted to fly around electrical utility lines. There's an algorithm that detects the electromagnetic frequencies coming off power lines, which tells the IMUs which GPS it wants to use and which compass it wants to use to make sure it can fly close to those power lines.
Everything with the system makes it so that we just have a wider range. We can fly in almost any weather.
You can get survey grade quality from these images. It's not like back in the day where you're just taking pictures of the poles and then they sit in a folder somewhere. We're putting that into the GIS system where everyone is looking at that. 75% of the company is looking at a map every day.
We're just giving them the proper tools and the proper data to be able to do their job more effectively.
Today we were on site doing an aerial mapping job, and the operations manager asked us to inspect some of these power lines out here, some of these switches. It only took us a couple minutes to swap payloads over to the inspection payload to use IR to inspect those switches. Now we can provide him with the data.
He's able to see a high resolution image, and he notices rusted bolts on there that he wouldn't have been able to catch from the ground or even with binoculars. I think that's huge, and it's going to be really big in mitigating problems.
The Navajo Apache Electric Cooperative is getting ease of access to the technology. The detail of accuracy we can get, the inspections that we can do with the Falcon 8 Plus, that would take them months to do, and we can do this in a matter of weeks.